What's up, gang? Welcome back to Sam Fan 4 Films. Today, I have custom minifigures from both Terminator 1 and Terminator 2 Judgment Day. So, we got 8 in total. We're just going to give a quick overview on each one, tell you guys some parts you want if you want to make them. I'll first state that in these ones, there's nothing that I've customized, nothing that I've colored or cut like I used to in the old days. It's pretty much just all real minifigures that you can make in your house. So make sure to subscribe, comment below, and check out my Star Wars stop motions, and let's get into it with minifigures from the Terminator. So this first minifigure is the Terminator T-800 when he first arrives. He is obviously in the movie supposed to be naked because only flesh can travel through the time machine. But Lego does not make, I don't think at least, just plain tan pants. Probably for good reasons, so you can't make naked minifigures. So just pretend that those are skin colored. But basically, they used Han Solo's hair and then the Superman face, which works basically for any Arnold Schwarzenegger character. So that's the first minifigure. Then the second minifigure I have is Kyle Reese here, which is when he acquires his trench coat. I know it's gray in the movie, but I don't have a gray one. I'm not sure if Lego even made a gray one, but it's tan so he can hide his sawed-off shotgun, but all I have is the regular shotgun. In the movie, he saws off the stock, and he gets a pistol from the cop that he gets. So that's the Kyle Reese minifigure. Super cool. He's a fantastic, fantastic character in the movie. Then we have Sarah Connor from 1984, supposed to be 18. This movie does not, Linda Hamilton does not look like 18. I know she has to wear a pink shirt, but I have a blue one, and the blue one looked really nice. Then obviously I used Hermione's hair, which is not in blonde, it is only in brown, and it was the only hair I had, which looked the best for her version in 1984, so I used that. And then I just have Princess Leia's face right there, so that's the Sarah Connor minifigure, still pretty good, even if the torso is a little inaccurate. Then, one of the coolest minifigures, coolest characters of all time is the Terminator, when he has his leather jacket on and this awesome glasses after his eyebrows get burnt off and his eye shot out during the police shootout scene, you know, this one. And it's pretty cool. I just used 2 brick arms weapons. I know they're not exactly accurate to what he has, this one mostly, but it's still pretty cool. I use these dual molded legs to simulate the boots that he has. And then the face is the Agent Coulson face, which basically works for any Terminator or Secret Agent minifigure. Leather jacket is Mutt Williams' leather jacket from Indiana Jones, and I have no idea where this hairpiece is from, but it is great for this Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator minifigure. And then finally, the final minifigure from the Terminator, we have the T-800 endoskeleton. This is when spoiler alert, all his flesh gets burnt off in the truck, and you just see the robotic endoskeleton. So this is not actually a custom minifigure at all. This is from the Lego movie, the Skeletor droid robots. But it looks really good. It's the closest thing that Lego's ever made to an official T-800 minifigure, and it looks pretty epic. When you compare it to the Terminator, it's about the right size. So that is it for all the regular The Terminator minifigures. We're going to move on to Terminator 2 Judgment Day. So here's Cyberdyne Systems T-800 Model 101 from Terminator 2 Judgment Day. It's very close to the same as the first Terminator. Basically, I just swapped out the legs and regular hands. And the gun is the iconic M1887 shotgun that he uses. Like I said, I used the same Agent Coulson head and the same hair, same leather jacket. And yeah, as you can see, the hair is not long enough to look at the back of the head, but no one's really paying attention to that. You're only going to look at the front. So that's for that one. Definitely my favorite custom minifigure, the first one I ever made. Moving on is his enemy, the T-1000 minifigure. It just has a simple Brick Armors Beretta gun right there that he uses. And the torso is just from a little police helicopter, like polybag set deal that I got one time. The hair, I don't know what it's from, but it's also pretty simple. And then the face is just one of those like rebel faces from Star Wars. It ends up looking pretty good. It's a super easy minifigure, probably the easiest one that you can get your hands on to make. Then next we have young John Connor, very cool minifigure also. This hairpiece is basically perfect, except the hairline should be on this side instead of that side, but whatever. The face, very, simple face, used a lot back in the old days of Legos and Lego Star Wars. The torso is an Endor Rebel Trooper. I know he does not have, obviously, a shotgun pouch in the movie, but he has a kind of camo jacket in the movie, and this is the closest thing we got. So, and then I used MIDI legs, so if I ever do a stop motion, I can actually move him pretty easily. So that is the John Connor minifigure, also looks fantastic. Then we have his mother, Sarah Connor, from 1991, of course. She's more jacked in this movie, with her 2 guns, which she tries to kill Miles Dyson with, but whatever, moving on. Sorry, spoilers. But anyways, just a blonde hair piece here. I don't know what woman face it is, but it looks pretty good for her. And then I use a Brick Arms, torso armored dealy thing for her, and these pants from Guardians of the Galaxy set. She looks pretty good. Definitely also a really good minifigure in this set. And then lastly, just kind of as a bonus, because why not, I just have the Dr. Silverman minifigure. I use the torso from Agent Coulson. I don't know what that face is from. And then I have just this hairpiece because he's kind of old in this movie. He's also in the first Terminator movie, so you could use this for either one, except he has a different torso in the first movie, but whatever. He's, pretty simple, not a major super role in the movie, but it's kind of important. So cool little bonus minifigure there, Dr. Silverman. So those are all my minifigures, starting from the Terminator 1984 to the Terminator 2 Judgment Day in 1991. Remember, these are all official parts. You can make them at your house. So like, comment, subscribe, comment your favorite minifigures I made, and subscribe to stay for some awesome Star Wars stop motions, and then probably some Terminator stop motions, which I will be making with these minifigures, hopefully. So that's about it, guys. See you, gang.